Hey, thanks for coming back to my channel. This is my beautiful model, Brandy. We had such a good time doing her makeup. This is a soft cut crease beauty tutorial, beauty makeup tutorial, so just stay tuned. I'm going to take you through everything, and we're starting with her brows, of course. This is the chocolate pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Absolutely love, love, love this pomade. I use it in my makeup kit. I use it personally. Absolutely love it. So after that, I'm just using soft ochre paint pot from MAC Cosmetics and just kind of blending that into the skin. And as you can see, she has a unibrow, which I'm going to clean up. And just make sure to go over the, everything that you do, whether it's the brows or foundation, go over to make sure it's perfect. This is the J. Torrey Beauty Palette. Absolutely love her eyeshadows. If you don't know about her, just go to torreybeauty.com and you can learn all about her business in Texas, her makeup line, her lashes, everything. She's really a talented makeup artist, and she also has an academy, so if you can afford to go for 8 days, she can certify you. She is state board certified, so it's awesome. So I just took the bluish purple in there, and I'm using a 217 MAC brush and just kind of putting this in the outer corners. I am going to create a cut crease, so that's what I'm starting right here. Is just the color. So I'm taking kind of it's a little more defined purple in the palette, and you just take whatever colors that you want. Of course, colors that make sense together. And I'm just taking that, and now I'm taking a 224 blending brush just to make sure everything is soft in the outer corners. Now there is fallout from the palette, but the shadows are excellent. This is the ColourPop concealer, and that's what I'm using to do the cut crease. Now I will say this, when you use this concealer, it usually dries pretty fast, but for some reason this took forever to dry. I think I really just put too much on, but you kind of want it to be a lot. But it did take a minute. Even I used my Amazon fan, as you can see, and it was like taking forever for it to dry. I went in with the Nirvana Palette, and I went in with the very pink shadow, and it's not showing up as much on camera. I don't know why, but this was really standing out. It was really pretty. And I went into the one next to it, the gold, to kind of go right next to it. This was just a beautiful spring look. I really loved it. Now I'm going in with the same colors from that J. Torrey Beauty Palette, just to kind of go in the outer corners to make sure everything is nice and blended. And I also went in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Black Noir color. I'm going in with that blue again, just to kind of make sure the cut crease is perfect, and no funny edges from the concealer. So this is where I'm going in with the Black Noir. It's Noir. And then I'm going with an Urban Decay liquid glitter liner. They have so many different colors. That was the purple one that I think was discontinued. This is Black Track Fluid liner for the liner at the top, and I'm just using a moisturizer before I put her makeup on. Had her pull back her scarf. I did mix 3 colors. It was NW40, NC45, and NC50 to make her perfect shade. I am a mixologist. I love to mix blushes, eyeshadows, foundations, concealers. I'm a mix. This is the Black Up contour stick in 05. The 05 is too dark for her, but if you use both parts of the stick, it's perfect for her. So as you can see, I put the lighter one on top of it just to kind of make sure it was a perfect blend. And now blending everything with my Real Techniques sponge that I absolutely love. I have to say, Jenny Torrey has probably the best sponges out there right now. You guys have to check her out, but I just use my Real Techniques today. Now I'm taking just a little bit of shadow underneath and a little bit of mascara. Popping some lashes on, very simple lashes. And then this is a Jenny Torrey, or the J. Torrey Beauty blush palette. And I'll have the links for all of her stuff at the bottom there. And then the highlight, I like to mix the highlight in the palettes. And nice fluffy brush. And now I'm using an Anastasia contour um, in my, I put it in a little palette thingy. And then the Eve Pearl lipstick palette, chestnut lip liner, and just kind of putting that on her lips. And that is the look. I hope that you all enjoy. Make sure you spray the person with that Fix Plus or that e.l.f. Fix Mistin spray, just to make sure that everything is settled into the skin. And that is the look. I'll see you all in another video. Take care, guys.